A green woodpecker can eat around 2,000 ants a day.
The biggest bird in the world is ostrich. An ostrich lays the biggest egg in all birds. Owls can't rotate their eyes. Owl flight is silent. Some owls have sets of ears at different heights on their heads. Chicken is the largest source of protein eaten by humans. Weight of the bird's feathers is more than its skeleton. African gray parrot is the most talkative bird who can speak around 800 words. Approximately 75% of all birds species are found in rainforest. There are about 41 million pet birds in USA. One of the most elusive and perplexing birds in the world is the Australian night parrot. Please like and subscribe my channel.